We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Bryant's helicopter, a Sikorsky S-76B built in 1991, was previously owned by the state of Illinois, according to records from the Federal Aviation Administration and the helicopter database Helis. Island Express has remained the owner and operator of the helicopter since 2015.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.